I bet that you would not guess that tuberculosis is the number one infectious disease killer worldwide, but unfortunately, that is the case. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, a bacteria that affects the lungs. It's curable and preventable, and there's a vaccine available. Within the United States, the morbidity for tuberculosis has been declining since the early 1990s. Here is a graph showing morbidity decline from 2010 to 2014, and it's clear that it's been continuous. One thing of note about tuberculosis is that it disproportionately affects the Asian population in the United States. In 2015, they had the highest case count and the highest incidence, and they have a rate over 25 times that of whites in the US. Here you can see that the racial distribution shows that Asians carry the highest burden compared to other racial minorities in the United States. So the reason this needs attention is because last year was actually the first year since 1992 that there was not a decline in tuberculosis. The rate actually remained the same at around 3 cases per 100,000. So the goal should be to determine why the foreign-born Asian population in the US has such a large TB burden. More funding should be put into research into this specific population to determine why they have such a large burden of disease. This is important because TB accounts for over a third of infectious disease deaths worldwide, and it could easily resurge in the US.